In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock or enable your camera in Google Chrome. This is a handy skill, whether you're jumping on a video call, recording a tutorial, or capturing moments directly through your browser. We'll take this step by step to ensure you can get comfortable with your setup and troubleshoot if needed. To get started, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser. It's important that your browser is up to date, as newer versions can have different settings or features. Once you're sure you're in Google Chrome, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see a tiny icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to the browser's menu and settings. Inside the drop-down menu, look for an option labeled Settings and click on it. You'll be directed to a full-page settings area full of possibilities. With Google Chrome, they like to neatly organize these settings for you. For this task, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. It's here that we'll find configurations related to your camera usage. Under Privacy and Security, there is an option called Site Settings. Click on it. Site Settings is a powerful area where you control what sites can and cannot do, especially concerning privacy and access to your device's features. Scroll through this section until you find Camera. Once you're in the camera settings, you'll see a list of sites that have previously requested to use your camera. Find the site you want to grant or confirm access for, and ensure that the permission is set to Allow. If you don't see it, you can manually add the website at the top of the list by clicking on Add. This is especially useful if you're setting up permission proactively. A quick tip: always check if any software on your computer has broader permissions that might be blocking Chrome's access. Another important thing to note is the default behavior setting in this section. Make sure it accommodates your needs, whether that's always asking before enabling the camera or setting broader permissions. Now it's time to test it out. Open a site where you would typically need your camera. This could be a video conferencing service or any application utilizing camera input in your browser. You'll likely be asked to grant permission. If so, go ahead and click Allow. Ensure your laptop or computer's camera is not being used simultaneously by another application, as this can cause issues too. And there you have it. With these steps, your camera should be enabled and ready to use whenever you need it within Google Chrome. If you ever need to review these steps, feel free to revisit this guide. Happy browsing and video chatting.